Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. In today's video, I will do AltText AI review. This is a tool that will allow you to generate alt text for your images automatically. And before we go any further, just a quick note, what is alt text? Basically, it is a description of an image which is stored in the code of your website and which you can configure, for example, from your WordPress site. And these image descriptions are used by search engine crawlers, and it will allow your images and pages to index better and potentially even have a higher chances of ranking. Just a quick example. Let's imagine you have this picture on your website, and these are examples of alt text. Some mediocre alt text, a bit better, and the best one, which is more descriptive. All right, now we know what alt text is, or reminded ourselves what is it. Let's continue with AltText AI review and demo. And basically, that's the main feature, and I would say the only feature that this tool has, and I like it. Because personally, I like the tools which are laser focused on one specific feature, because in this case, there are high chances that this tool will deliver great results in this specific area. You should be able to embed this tool into your everyday workflow. Imagine you have a WordPress site and you upload an image to a media gallery, and during the upload, this tool will automatically add alt text, so you don't need to worry about that. I think for the workflow, we can compare it with ShortPixel. If you have a WordPress site, you might heard about this plugin. Basically, you configure it once, and anytime you upload an image to your media gallery, it will automatically compress it without losing the quality. So I think AltText AI can be a great addition to your workflow if you will configure it to your WordPress or Shopify. We'll see how it will perform. At the moment of this review, AltText AI is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. They tell that they have Shopify and WordPress integration. And basically how it works, you upload an image manually or through integration through WordPress or Shopify. They analyze an image and provide alt text description, and that's it. Great, simple workflow. And regarding license tiers plans, they provide 3. For the first one, for $19, you have 150 images per month. Let's imagine you have a blog and you have 10 images per blog post. So in this case, you will be able to do and analyze 15 blog posts per month. And if you think it's not enough for you, you can jump to a higher tier. For example, maybe it is a little bit better to start with the second one to be safer. But please check what is your use case and for how many images you need to generate alt text. Shortly, we'll take a look at the live demo of this tool, and they provide integration with Ecommerce and Shopify, with WordPress and several content management systems. And what is great, they can produce your alt text descriptions in more than 130 languages. I would say that is a lot. And if you will miss AppSumo lifetime deal, here are their regular pricing options. They have several plans. For $5 a month, you can generate 100 images, 500 for 19, and 2000 for 49. Okay, moving next to the actual demo of the tool. Here is the main dashboard. Let's test the main flow. Let's add an image. Here you can get an image from URL or from your local computer. Let's test the tool with the first stock image. Let's put the link here. You can add asset ID, choose the language. You can add asset ID. I don't need it. It will be automatically generated. And even we can request human review, but it will cost you additional credits. Also, you can add e-commerce settings and specify product name and brand name, and you can request to add keywords in your description. Let's add the image, and here it is. And that's great. That's exactly what is happening on the image. A man with a backpack standing on top of a cliff overlooking a canyon. Let's do another test with this one. And here it is, a blue scooter parked on the side of the road. That's great. With this tool, you can also upload images in bulk using CSV file, and they provide an example how to fill that file. Let me show you. This is the file, and here are the stock images that I prepared and uploaded to my WordPress site. The first one with some hunters, then some birds, then example of a product, a headlamp, and some kayaking in the mountains. So in this file, there are a few fields. They actually provided notes how to fill all of those. And the only mandatory field is URL. You can specify your asset ID. If you put something into argument column, it will mean that you request human review, but it will cost you additional credits. You can request additional language. For this image, I requested to be it in Spanish. For e-commerce specific columns, you can provide a product and a brand, and you can add some keywords. Okay, let's test it. Let's upload the file. Here it is. Let's add an email and upload. Yep, that was quick. I received an email. Let's go back to the image library. And here are our images. On the email, you just receive notification and the result is stored in the tool. So let's check it. Okay, I see it missed one file. Not sure, maybe I missed some fields in the CSV file. Not a problem. Let's check the output. The first one. A man enjoying relaxed kayaking in a picturesque lake surrounded by mountains. That's great. Exactly what is in the image. Moving next. Here I specified my asset ID. Two men on horses with eagles on their shoulders. Yep, exactly what is on the picture. Testing the next one. This one I requested to be in Spanish. Two bald eagles perched in a tree with mountains in the background. And I think this is exactly what's happening on the image. With AltText AI, you also can scrape page. Basically, you will provide a link to a desired page, and the tool will grab all the images from that page and will generate alt text. So here it is. That's what you can do inside the tool. And they have some additional features like API. If you're a developer or you want to hire a developer on a Fiverr to do some integration with this tool, you can do it. And basically, from another tool or application, you can request all the functionality of the tool through the programming interface. Not everybody will need that, but anyway, it's there. And now, let's move to the demo of the AltText AI integration with WordPress. Here is their WordPress plugin I have just installed. I have added API key, which I got when I went to Account, API keys, and I created a new one. And now let's go and test it. Let's go to a media library. And as you can see, I use ShortPixel. Anytime an image is uploaded to WordPress, it will automatically be compressed. And now, when we have AltText AI plugin installed, I believe we will get automatic alt text. Let's actually test it. Let's upload an image. And here it is. As I expected, alt text was generated automatically. This tool is really a great find. If you will include that into your workflow, let it be WordPress or your e-commerce website, because people usually don't put a lot of focus in updating alt text image description. But anyway, it's a nice to have feature, so search engine crawlers will find your images better, and eventually it will help you rank higher and discover your content better. Alright, so that concludes my review of the AltText AI tool. It is not doing a lot, but it's doing one thing specifically, and it's doing it great. And I believe the tools like AltText AI are really great when you will integrate those into your routine, into your workflow. For example, you can install the WordPress plugin, and when you will upload images to media library, you will be able to generate alternative text to your images using this tool, so you won't need to write that manually. And also, please check the link in the description for this tool. You might be lucky and get this tool on a lifetime deal, because this tool just recently came to AppSumo and they got good reviews already. Please give this video a like and subscribe to help to spread the word. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.